Hello my friends, Dave Schramm here of ShrammGuitars.com, and today we're going to look at how I use the head template to route out the head. This is for a custom 7-string guitar. Let's go check it out. Okay, I'm getting the router table all set up, but before I do that, I have the template attached with these drywall screws screwed into the back or into the top of the head. And we are now going to trim close to the outline of the template, and then we're going to use the template routing bits to route out the head of this guitar. Alright, so I got my pattern routing bit. This is the bearing that's going to ride against the pattern. This will cut the shape so that bearing rides up against the template there. So I'm going to use this to initially cut the shape. Then I'm going to use my 1/4-inch one to tune the crest of the guitar. All right, so I'm going to route that now. All right, so here is the route. Now you're probably wondering, what happened here? Well, because of the grain direction, I didn't use the router bit, the large one, the 1/2-inch one on there. So now I'm using this 1/4-inch one, and it's a top mount bit. So this will be flipped around, and I'll be able to route this part out, which you're gonna see me do now. All right, we now have the basic head shape routed out here from the template router. And we'll get a little bit of cleanup here. And next step is I'll take this off, and then I'll drill the string roller holes and the string ramps. Here's a view of the front side of the guitar, so you can get a look at that right off of the routing jig. Now my next step is going to be to lay out the this side's going to have 4 rollers, this side's going to have 3 for the 7-string guitar. So I'm going to lay those out, and you'll see that maybe in the next video. Hey, thanks for watching today's video on how I route the head on this custom 7-string guitar. Hope some of the tips were helpful for you. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.